I was about 9 years old. My sister was a year and a half younger than I. So we went for a walk one Saturday, and we saw a $5 bill on the ground. We couldn't pick it up because you weren't allowed to hold money. So we rolled a stone over it, and at sundown we came down and picked it up. We didn't know that you shouldn't roll a stone either. You weren't supposed to work. But that's how Orthodox we were. And even later on, when I was 15 or so, and all my friends, we went to the Brooklyn Paramount. It was during Passover, you know, in between. And then they all had frankfurters for lunch, and I wouldn't eat it because it was Passover. You weren't allowed to eat that at that time. So then we got on the subway to get home, and I automatically put a penny in the chewing gum machine, took a piece of gum and put it in my mouth. They all jumped at me. They said, "You won't eat frankfurters, but you'll chew gum." I can't tell you how shocked I was at myself. Even at that age, I got away from it.